So we'll read once again all two paragraphs again. I have an old friend. One day he said, when you meet a man on the road, do not greet him with the words or with silence. Tell me, how will you greet him? What is an answer to this question? With a smile, of course. Many boys and girls were taking the karate lessons. A boy was not able to concentrate because of the other students. He could not get the moves right. The teacher saw this. He took the boy to a quiet place where there was a stream. There were stones in the stream. The teacher said, see how the stream flows over and around the stones. It does not mind them. The boys got an amazing lesson on how to concentrate. See, this paragraph is so beautiful. In this paragraph, what here the teacher is saying to the student, okay, they were taking karate lessons, but during the karate lessons, the boy was not able to concentrate. He was distracted. So this thing the teacher saw. So what did the teacher do? The teacher did, he took the boy to a stream where there was water flowing away, and he showed, okay, in the stream there are few stones also, but then too the water has not stopped flowing. It still flows in other direction. It finds the way to flow, and still the water is flowing. So looking at this way, what the teacher told him, he got an amazing lesson on how to concentrate. Then he came to know how to concentrate on, and he got a lesson to concentrate on, amazing lesson how to concentrate. So dear children, please do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. I hope you followed the chapter. So please write this exercise with neat and good handwriting in your grammar textbook. Thank you. Good morning children. Today we are going to do in grammar textbook chapter number 2, articles. What is the name of the chapter? Articles. We will do that exercise in grammar textbook today. Now let's learn. What is this? Let's learn. A, an and the are called articles. A, an and the are called articles. A is used before consonant sounds and n is used before vowel sound. A कभी यूज़ होता है बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट, जिस तरह से वावल्स ए ई आई ओ यू नहीं होते जिसमें, उसको हम कॉन्सोनेंट कहते हैं बाकी के अल्फ़ाबेट्स को, तो तभी ए यूज़ होता है. A and n are called indefinite articles. A and n are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite articles. The is called definite articles. The indefinite articles a and n are used for nouns that are used for the first time in a text or when we talk. ए और ए एन एन कभी यूज़ होते हैं जब नाउन्स ये यूज़ होते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम इन अ टेक्स्ट और जब हम बातें करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, ए टीचर, ए यंग स्टूडेंट, ए एन एन एंग्री वॉइस. तो ये ए एन एन एंग्री वॉइस इज़ वॉट? इट इज़ एन वावल ओवर योर ए, सो वी हैव यूज ए एन एन, एंग्री वॉइस. ए इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स and a and n is used before vowel sounds. A house, a bus, a university, an orange, an hour, an honest man. So a and n is used when there is a vowel. So o is a vowel. Over here r h is not a vowel, but the pronunciation comes from o. So we say it's an r. we can't say an hour, right? So an hour, so O pronunciation is mostly found while pronouncing hour. An honest man, same with honest also. H is silent over here, O pronunciation is heard more. The definite articles the is used for nouns that have already been introduced or are already known. The definite article the वो कभी यूज़ होता है नाउन्स के लिए जो ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है और ऑलरेडी नोन, क्या फिर आपको पता है. एग्जाम्पल द टीचर, द यंग स्टूडेंट, द वाटर, द प्लांट्स, ये द के एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, नाउ विल गो टू द exercise part. Read this passage. Say why a and the have been used. One has been done for you. What we have to do? We have to read the passage first. और हमें बताना है a, an और the क्यों यूज़ किया गया है. First we will read the passage. Here you can see a girl and a bird is there. A baby saw a bird. A baby saw a bird. The bird was sitting on a fence. The bird was sitting on a fence. The fence was painted brown. The fence was painted brown. The baby waved at the bird and giggled. It showed an apple to the bird. It showed an apple to the bird. The bird came to the baby to eat the apple. The bird came to the baby to eat the apple. Now over here a baby is there. What is over here? A baby, you can see. Now over here what it is written in red? Baby used for the first time. Now here a baby is there, right? So it is used for the first time. किस लिए यूज़ हुआ है? फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए यूज़ हुआ है. नाउ द बर्ड वॉज सिटिंग ऑन ए फेंस. तो बर्ड जो है वो भी फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ हुआ है. तो ये बर्ड यहाँ पे दिया है, फिर हमने लिखा है बर्ड यूज्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. दो इट इज़ बीन रिटन बिकॉज इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस द बर्ड वॉज सिटिंग ऑन ए फेंस, वो फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ हुआ है. देन ए फेंस, ए फेंस जो है वो भी फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ हुआ है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ए फेंस. सो ए फेंस, फेंस यूज्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. एन एप्पल, द फेंस वॉज पेंटेड ब्राउन. द बेबी वेव्ड एट द बर्ड एंड गिगल्ड. इट शोड एन एप्पल. सो एन एप्पल इज यूज्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. It used for the first time. You can see baby, bird, fence all have been used over here for the first time. A bird, then a fence, all has been used for the first time. And apple. Now we'll go to the next part. The baby. Now what is it? The baby. See, you can see over here. The baby is used for the second time. The second line. The bird and giggled. See over here, the bird. The baby waved at the bird. So the bird is what used for the second time. So baby used for the second time. The bird is also used for the second time. The fence. Where is the fence over here? Here, the fence. The fence is also used for the second time. The apple. Over here you can see the apple. The bird came to eat the apple. So the apple is used for the second time. So you followed in the first sentence a baby, a bird, a fence, all these are used for the first time. An apple. But a, an and the have been used, we have to check that. But in the second time what we saw, instead of a baby it is written the baby. So second time again the bird, second time the apple, again second time. So the same repetition, once it has been used with a and other it has been used with the pronunciation. So now we'll go to the next page. Now over here what we have to do in this exercise, let's practice. Put a tick or a cross to show which articles use is correct and which is not. What you have to do? We have to put a tick or a cross to show which article use is correct and which is not. कौन सा सही है कौन सा गलत है, और एंड करेक्ट द रॉन्ग वंस, और जो गलत है उसको हमें सही से करना है. वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. एक एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज. फ्रेंच कैन कुक the good food. Over here you can see in red crosses are kept over here and over here cross are kept. अभी आप सोचते हो कि क्रॉस क्यों रखा है. अभी हम उसका करेक्शन करेंगे. तो फ्रेंच जो है हमें उसे ध से उसको स्टार्ट करना है सेंटेंस. वी हैव टू यूज ध ओवर हियर. कैन कुक गुड फूड. कैन कुक गुड फूड. यह ध विल नॉट कम. ध जो है फ्रेंच के आगे आएगा और ध गुड के आगे नहीं आएगा. हमें सिर्फ लिखना है द फ्रेंच कैन कुक गुड फूड. नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. कैन यू स्ट्रम गिटार. कैन यू स्ट्रम गिटार. सो ओवर हियर व्हाट वी विल राइट. कैन यू स्ट्रम. Here something is missing in middle and guitar. So we have, what we have done, we have put a cross over here. What we have done, we have put a cross over here and we'll do the correction. Can you strum the guitar. Here the word the was missing, so we have written the guitar because guitar is a name, so we have to use the. French is also a language, so the has been used. Now we'll go to the third C1. The storm affected our village most. Now here you can see near the village I've put a cross. I've put a very small cross over here. The storm affected our village most. Here also cross has come, right? Now I'll do the correction. The storm affected our village. The most will come. What it will come? The most. Here again before most the was missing, so it is the most. My mother prefers reading Hindu and not the Hindustan Times. Over here what is wrong, that we'll see. My mother prefers reading Hindu and not the Hindustan Times. Now do you find any correction in this sentence? This sentence is completely correct. It is my mother prefers reading the Hindu and not the Hindustan Times. This is correct sentence. Now we'll go to the E1. People in United States came from the different countries. People in United States came from the different countries. So over here in and United के बीच हमने क्रॉस लगाया है. Something is missing. We'll do the correction. People in the, what is it? The is missing. The United States came from the different countries. We did the correction with the. Before United the will come. Now over piano produced the sweet music. Over here I've put a cross. You can see over here I've put a cross because before piano something is missing and the will not come over here, so the is wrong over here. So correction is what? The. I've written the over here and started the sentence. The piano produced the sweet music. So piano produced the sweet music. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here G, I've put a cross over here. Sinhas are very health conscious. Okay, so over here the is missing, so I'll write the Sinhas are very health conscious. H, the Chinese built Great Wall of China to protect themselves. So over here I've put a cross over here. What will be the correct sentence? The Chinese built the Great Wall of China to protect themselves. Here what it will be? The Chinese built the Great Wall of China to protect themselves. We visited Van Gogh Museum in the Amsterdam. Over here what is missing? We visited the missing. So the will come over here. The Van Gogh Museum in the Amsterdam. J. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. There is no at all any correction. The sentence is completely right. So Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. K. Rai received the Best Singer award at annual function. Even this sentence is also totally correct. Rai received the Best Singer award at annual function. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Now I will go to the next page. Over here choose A and the and even cross also to complete the sentences below. Now we have to do, where there is no need of A and or the, we have to put totally cross because that sentence is totally correct. Where the sentence mistakes are there or where we have to add in the blank, there we have to use A and or the. A1. Blank garden looks beautiful as blank flowers have bloomed in dash plants, blank plants. So over here what it is? A. What will write over here? A garden looks beautiful as the flowers have bloomed in the plants. So A garden looks beautiful as the flowers have bloomed in the plants. B. It is one of blank best garden in blank city. So what it will come over here? It is one of the best garden in the city. C. I am blank allergic to blank smoke. Now over here we will read the sentence. I am allergic to smoke. So this sentence is completely correct. So there is no need of putting A and or the. This sentence is totally correct. D. The plants help in maintaining the environment. So you started the sentence with the. What will come over here? The plants help in maintaining the environment. E. I saw dash owl fly up to the attic. So over here what is missing? Here vowel is there, owl. So here N will come. So I saw an owl fly up to the attic. Now F. That is my favorite time of blank day. So what is missing? The day. So that is my favorite time of the day. Here the will come. Arnav got bitten by dash ant. A-N-N ant. Over here vowel A is there. So A-N-N will come. So Arnav got bitten by an ant. Dash Atlantic Ocean is close to blank West Indies. So it is a name, ocean name. So here we'll use the. It is a name of an ocean. So remember name it is. So here the will be used, is close to the West Indies. Right. So West Indies is also a proper noun. So the has been used over here. The West Indies. I. Dash apple dash a day keeps dash doctor away. So over here vowel A is there. So an apple is used. A day keeps the doctor away. So what is the correct sentence? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now we'll go to the next page. Now we will see what it is. Let's practice. What it is? Let's practice. Use A and the X in the blanks to complete the passage. Same over here. Where there is no need of A and the, we have to put a cross. Otherwise A and the is necessary where you have to check in the sentences. I have dash old friend. Old O is vowel, so A and N is used over here. So I have an old friend. One day he said, when you meet dash man on dash road. So what he said over here? A is a vowel but M is a consonant. So we'll write A over here. A man on the road. Road is a place. Road is a name. So the road. Do not greet him with the words. Do not greet him with the words or with smile. Here the has been used before the words. Tell me how will you greet him? Tell me how will you greet him? What is an answer to this question? With a smile, of course. Here A is a vowel, so A and N is used, and over here with a smile, of course. Here A is been used. Now we'll go to the second one. Many boys and girls were taking the karate lessons. So over here karate is a specific name is given of the lesson, so the is used. Dash boy was not able to concentrate because of dash other students. So here will be a boy was not able to concentrate because of the other students. He could not get the moves right. What happened? He could not get the moves right. The teacher saw this. Again the is come because he is a teacher. The teacher saw this. He took the boy to a quiet place. What happened? He took the boy to a quiet place. A is missing. We have written a quiet place. Where there was a stream. Where there was a stream. A is used before the stream. There were stones in the stream. Here you can see there were, over here cross I've put because there is no need of a, n or the. The sentence is correct. So there were stones in the stream. Over here the is used. The teacher said, see how the stream flows over and around the stones, around the stones. Here the teacher says, see how the stream flows over and around the stones. It does not mind them. It does not mind them. The boy got an, because your vowel is there, amazing lesson on how to concentrate. We'll read all the sentences together. I have an old friend. One day he said, when you meet a man on the road, do not greet him with the words or with smile. Tell me how will you greet him? What is an answer to this question? With a smile, of course. Now second one. Many boys and girls were taking the karate lessons. A boy was not able to concentrate because of the other students. He could not get the moves right. The teacher saw this. He took the boy to a quiet place where there was a stream. There were stones. Here cross is there because there is no need of a, n or the. In the stream, the teacher said, see how stream flows over and around the stones. It does not mind them. The boy got an amazing lesson how to concentrate. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of the article in grammar textbook. Please write this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting in your grammar textbook. Thank you.